Hey, I'm Darren Pearson, aka Darius Twin, and I'm going to teach you how to light paint using a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First thing you're going to need is to sketch a design. So let's use one of my favorite features on this phone, the S Pen. Light drawings need to be made in under 30 seconds, so our design should be kept relatively simple. To light paint, we'll need to get a tripod to keep the camera steady during the long exposure and some lights. For this idea, I've chosen locations that relate to my designs: the ocean for the orca, the plains for the cheetah, a viewpoint for the phoenix, and a forest for the deer. Now that we've found a spot, let's set up the shot. To shoot a light painting, you're going to need the flexibility of Pro Mode, which unlocks advanced access to your Galaxy S22 Ultra camera settings. So once you've set up your Ultra on the tripod, you're going to open the camera app, scroll to More, and choose Pro. First, set your focus, which you can do manually or using the auto setting. I've found that 0.8 is usually a good focus value for light painting. Your camera's sensitivity to light is determined by the ISO setting. The higher the ISO, the more sensitive your camera's sensor is. Because we're shooting in a relatively low light environment, I find the 100 to 800 range to be a good setting for starting out, but play around depending on the ambient light in your environment. Do a practice run drawing your design in the air and see how many seconds it takes. Then try to match the shutter speed to that number. You can use the S Pen to trigger your shutter so that your phone doesn't move when beginning the capture. Now we recreate the sketch that we practiced life-sized using a light directed towards the camera lens. Here's the 4 light paintings I did, each representing a different elemental spirit animal. Light painting isn't hard, it just requires creativity and a little patience. But thanks to the great low light capabilities of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, it's easier to do than ever. Grab a light and find out for yourself.